everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Today I'll be doing an unboxing video. As you can see in the title, I'll be unboxing this and I'll do another video maybe to review it, some of the apps that you can use with this iPad. So stay tuned and I'll go ahead and unbox the iPad with you guys. So before if you're watching this video, please don't forget to click on the view products. I'll attach it on the screen. This is a kind of YouTube pilot program. If I review a product and you can click on the shopping bag tag to see vendors that have it on sale. So if you click on it and go to the website and browse, so don't forget to click and go look at the iPads I included in the tag. Stay tuned and I'll do the unboxing now. So I have some accessories too that I got with the iPad. Let me see. This is the mini 6th generation iPad, and it comes in this box and it comes in this case. This is the product. So remember guys to check out the shopping tag view product to see the products that I listed. So yeah, this is it. I'll open it up right now. So this is the iPad, and it's the mini. So I'll open it up. So I got this iPad so I can use for note writing, to write. So currently I've been looking for like notebook to write. Actually I'm in law school and I write a lot of notes, so this will be perfect for me to take notes in class. So this is the product. It's kind of small. I also got some accessories for this. The cover, this is the cover, and also I got the pen. So I'm gonna show you that. So this is the case and this is the iPad. So it goes in like this. So this is it. So it's really handy. I can use it. Is that the right way? I think the camera is supposed to be showing on that side. Actually fix it. So yeah, sure. So the camera is supposed to, yeah, this is the camera. It comes with this camera, the back camera, and also it comes with the front camera. And this is the off and on button, and this is where you charge it, and it has these speakers, 2 speakers on the side. And this is where the pen attaches. Let me grab the pen. So this is the pencil for the iPad. I'll just open it up. Okay, I actually have to pull it. So this is it. So this is the iPad, this is the pencil. So the pencil goes like so. It's attached. You can attach it to the case like this. So let me turn it on. Let's see. Now it's on. It's so portable, so cute. So I will be downloading the notes, I think Notability software, or there's a lot of them, so you'll be able to write notes. I'm going to do another review. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to do another review where I download the software and I can show you how you can write with this pen, take notes with this pen on this iPad. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the view product tag on the screen on this video, so you can check out people that sells it, suppliers that sells it, and if you click on the website, I get commission from YouTube. This is kind of a pilot program YouTube is running to see if they will give that option to other people. If you list the product you're reviewing and you tag it, if you click on it, we get commission on that too. So let me know what you think about this iPad, and I'll see you in my next review video. Thank you. It's my only solution.